right here, this is the entrance. We're kind of hoping to have like a mini museum exhibit or like a movie theater showing. So outside of the door, we'll have like a piece of paper telling different times that people can come in. Like every 15 minutes, we'll have another presentation. So they come in through the door, and we'll have some mirrors here. We're hoping, we have like some individual mirrors at home, but we're also hoping on using the ones that we use for the dance program. So along these walls, kind of like what you saw at the Disguise exhibit, how they had the mirrors with masks on them at the end of the exhibit, for pulling inspiration from that, and we're hoping to have mirrors around the room. When they first come in, we'll have like those blue chairs, and we'll have it in front of the TV, and we'll make like a mini presentation or video explaining overall how this project started. And then after that, they can see specific connections on the tables. So we'll talk about, we'll have, we hope to use like hopefully everyone's group project. And then for like, each project, we'll talk about how this one specifically talks about math, or how this one connected to science. So these ones aren't really full examples, they're just specifically talking about how this project can connect to this specific subject in science, math, history. And then interactive, that's a teardrop table in the middle of the 9th, 10th grade room. And it's just to take up some space, and also it could be kind of something like where they can create their own mask, and then like if they create it, they can take a picture in front of the mirror, like they had in the Disguise exhibit. And then over here, right next to the TV, these are where we're gonna have full examples. So these ones don't talk about specific subjects, but it's just like, for example, this way, they can see the whole thing to see overall how it looks. And then towards the other exit, so when they're done seeing everything, they can go out this door. And then right before they do, we're gonna have like, we can have one surface showing like tweets from when we were at the museum, and if anyone tweeted out their Disguise projects. And then also we'll have Excel survey forms, and like we'll ask them like, what's a mask in your life, or like how did you like this exhibit? And then they can leave.